In today's fast-paced construction industry, efficiency, safety and sustainability are more important than ever. That's why developers and contractors are turning to a smarter solution, prefabricated aluminium balconies. It all starts with the initial specification. We work closely with architects, structural engineers and contractors to understand the exact requirements. Once we have the project specs, our engineering team carries out structural calculations to ensure compliance with building regulations, wind loads and safety standards. Using advanced CAD software, our designers create detailed 3D models of balconies, integrating seamlessly with the building facade. With the final drawing signed off, we source premium grade aluminium and high spec materials from trusted suppliers, ensuring durability, recyclability and a long life cycle. Inside our manufacturing facility, precision cutting, drilling and customisation takes place. Every component is prefabricated under controlled conditions. Balconies are then pre-assembled, complete with decking and balustrades. We coordinate direct delivery to site using tracked transport, timed precisely to fit the customer's construction schedule. Our plug-and-play system allows each balcony to be crane lifted into position and fixed directly to the building frame, saving weeks of on-site work. Prefabricated aluminium balconies don't just save time and money, they align with modern methods of construction. Safety, quality and sustainability are at the core of our design. With robust corrosion-resistant finishes, low maintenance needs and long service life, Q-railing Easy Alu aluminium balconies enhance both the look and performance of high-rise residential developments.